Geokinesis is the psychokinetic ability to manipulate earth and rock through mental concentration and willpower. Practitioners of geokinesis can move, shape, and control soil, sand, stone, and other earthen materials with their minds. This power allows users to alter landscapes, create tunnels, raise stone structures from the ground, and even generate localized earthquakes or tremors. Advanced geokinetics may compress or expand Earth's density, create earthen constructs like armor or weapons, and possess an enhanced awareness of surrounding Earth composition and underground structures. Some highly skilled users can draw strength and vitality from contact with the Earth or, in rare cases, create Earth from nothing. While powerful, geokinesis typically requires physical proximity to Earth or stone, and its effectiveness may be diminished when the user is airborne or on water. Mastery of geokinesis often demands intense concentration, physical conditioning, and a deep spiritual connection to the Earth. You can increase your connection to Earth by meditating outside while visualizing roots from your body going deep in the Earth and connecting with it.